Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, we're reviewing the Pattern Beauty by Tracee Ellis Ross 3-in-1 Interchangeable Ceramic Curling Iron, a tool designed to enhance your curl game with multiple barrel options. Whether you're after defined curls, natural waves, or tight ringlets, this curling iron claims to be versatile enough to do it all. Let's dive into the details. The Pattern Beauty curling iron comes with 3 interchangeable tourmaline ceramic clip barrels. You get a 3/8-inch barrel for tighter curls, a 1/4-inch barrel for more defined curls, and a 1-inch barrel for those classic bouncy curls. The barrels are designed to work with your natural curl pattern, helping you achieve your desired look with minimal effort. The tourmaline ceramic technology ensures that the heat is distributed evenly, reducing damage to your hair. It also helps to eliminate frizz, which is a huge plus if you have thick or unruly hair like mine. On top of that, the product comes with a heat protective glove, making it safer and easier to use. Now, let's talk about my experience with this curling iron. First off, I was impressed with how easy it was to switch between the different barrels. The mechanism is smooth, and you can quickly swap out the barrels without any fuss. It's a great tool for anyone who likes to switch up their look, but doesn't want to clutter their space with multiple styling tools. When it comes to performance, this curling iron delivered. The 1-inch barrel was perfect for creating loose, voluminous curls that held all day, even in humid conditions. I tried the 1/4-inch barrel for more defined curls, and it really added shape and texture to my hair without making it feel crunchy. The 3/8-inch barrel gave me those tight, bouncy curls I love for a more retro look, which was a pleasant surprise since some tools with smaller barrels can sometimes leave curls looking too stiff. I appreciated that this iron gave a softer, more natural curl. The heat protective glove was a game changer for me. I have burned my fingers on curling irons before, so having that added layer of protection was reassuring. And the auto shutoff feature? Definitely a peace of mind addition, especially if you're like me and sometimes get distracted mid-styling. On to the pros and cons. The pros are clear. Versatility with the 3 barrel sizes, even heat distribution, sleek design, and the addition of a heat mat storage pouch make this curling iron a strong contender for anyone who loves to curl their hair regularly. The heat glove is also a thoughtful addition. As for the cons, it's a bit heavy compared to some other curling irons I've used, so it might not be ideal for those with weaker wrists or who prefer a lighter tool. Also, the price point is higher than some other curling irons on the market, so it might not be the best choice for those on a tight budget. Now let's talk value for money. While this curling iron is on the pricier side, the multiple barrel options, the heat protective glove, and the added convenience of the heat mat make it worth considering if you're someone who styles your hair often. The quality of the product, especially with the ceramic and tourmaline technology, justifies the price in my opinion. When comparing it to other products in the market, it stands out because of the 3 interchangeable barrels, which you don't see too often with other curling irons. Most competitors offer 1 or 2 barrels, but this gives you more versatility for different curl styles. That's definitely something to consider when deciding where to put your money. In terms of build quality, I'm impressed with how sturdy the curling iron feels. The materials are high quality, and it definitely feels like a tool that will last. The universal voltage is a great bonus, making it travel-friendly for jet setters who need their styling tools on the go. In terms of customer support, while I didn't need to contact them, Pattern Beauty has a reputation for being responsive and attentive to customer inquiries, so I'd expect solid support if any issues arise. If you're looking for cheaper alternatives, you could consider some other curling irons with single barrels, but they might lack the versatility this one offers. If you don't mind a bit of an investment though, this one's a solid choice. To wrap it up, the Pattern Beauty 3-in-1 curling iron is a fantastic tool if you love variety and want an easy-to-use curling iron that gives great results. While it's a bit on the expensive side, the versatility, performance, and added features make it worth the investment if you're serious about your styling routine. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching. If you've used this product, Drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.